also shape the society. But there are some problems in existing systems: lack of transparency, lack of accountability, mismanagement of distribution, etc. We are trying to overcome those problems by using the moving technology called blockchain. So we are having key features in that. So for the first key feature, we are dealing with the security. The blockchain provides security and transparency between the transactions of donors and the trust members. Second is the user-friendly interface. Where we are providing the website with most user-friendly interface, so the donor can directly, easily donate to the different trusts. Third is cross-border donations, where we can accept the donations from people who are living outside the country. In the next, the fraud detection is there.
In fraud detection, we identify the significant patterns in transaction, and from that we identify which is the fraud transaction. And after that, it is the dashboard. In admin dashboard, we can see the records of all transaction histories, analysis, all real-time tracking of the transactions. And then after is the blogging. In which blogging the user can know that the money, how is charity is utilizing that. And after that, it is the education. We are educating the donors how they can minimize their taxes by after donation.
For the organizations, for verifying the organizations, we are verifying the organization in the two verification. First, when the organization is newly getting added to the website, we are verifying to the NGO accreditation, etc. And the second time, when we are uploading new projects, we are also verifying the projects are valid and donation is to be given or not. And in the news section, we are also providing the news where for example, for the natural disaster, that time we need the donation immediately, so we are providing the news. And with the money donation, we are also providing the donation of the old things which are not usable for the normal people. They can donate to the charity trust.
So basically blockchain is the digital ledger, or we can say the notebook, where all transactions are visible to the user. So for example, the notebook, where the copy of the notebook is in all of the nodes, like everyone can see that transactions. So for the transactions are done using like a group chat. The group chat is a blockchain network. The chats which are sending in the messages, sending messages are the transactions that everyone can see, that what transactions are done and what the history of the transactions are. And after that, the nodes means participants are the nodes of the blockchain network. So we are using blockchain development for the smart contracts. The smart contracts are the digital agreements which are executed when the specific conditions are met. Then when the transactions are to be executed, that condition should be maintained in the smart contracts. So after that, the token creation. When the transactions are done, the tokens has been created at the user side after donating the funds. So for the backend development, we are integrating the blockchain using Web3 provider and Ethers provider. So we can integrate with our front end to a blockchain network. So second is the database management. We are storing the data of the news and the many login registration details of the users in the Firebase database management system. So in the front end, there are admin and user portal. So user has the donor portal, where the user can see where to donate which charity he has to donate to the fund. And the second is the charity portal, where admin can add the charity where the charity needed the fund. So next is the security measures. We are actually integrating the AWS cloud, the MFA encryption, where the multi-factor authentication is there. So where the user can enter the password, and also for the security measures, we are also integrating with the multi-factor authentication, where the text messages and the call also will come for the security measures. So second, last point is the deployment. So here we are deploying our smart contracts into the mainnet deployment, where user can easily interact with the blockchain network.
When it comes to the feasibility and viability, the first thing is the technical feasibility and operational feasibility, as user-friendly environment is created by us in the front end, so the user can easily interact with whatever they want to do and in the front end. And comes to the operational feasibility, the system is designed in a easy way, so user can get how the flow is working on. And the next one is financing feasibility. but it contains the cost. It's a technical thing. It's a website, so it costs nothing at all for us. But when it comes to the database management, it is going to cost some of money, which could be a lesser one also. And when it goes to the viability, that is the demand in the market, as it is encrypted based and as it is encrypted based, which is one is a blockchain based, it is going to be have a big demand in the market. And while coming to the donation, there must be a transaction must be a transparency one and also be an efficient one, and it going to make a good impact as it is a transparent one. And when it comes to the benefits,
in benefits, there are enhanced transparency, and increase the efficiency, decentralized network, etc.
So what it makes more innovative is we are adding blockchain, and also we are adding AI ML for the fraud detection.
Enhancing transparency and accountability. Charitable donation, blockchain initiatives, third one is smart contracts, scientifically, attribute transition and smart.
So before saying this, just I want to ask you that why you are using the blockchain here?
Sir, because of the security and transparency. It means if you use the simple network, like without using blockchain, the transparency is not feasible. Like if transaction is done, then the security is not that much efficient.
See, nowadays also we are using the SSL and again the TLS encryption. And also we know that there is a end-to-end encryption is there.
But sir, the hacker can easily hack.
There is a centralized system who manages all these things, but in blockchain it is not centralized. It is decentralized, so everyone can get the information which is getting updated. So it is transparent for each and every user, and they can get transparently get transactions.
Actually, sir, in the DNS and SSL, there is a centralized network. Like if one hacker can hack easily, but in a blockchain network there is a decentralized network. If hacker want to hack something, like it is not in the single network, it is stored in the all decentralized network, so it is difficult to hack the system. So this is the one place. If the admin login, the admin can see how total donations are done and what are the active projects, how much charities are required to donate the projects, and if admin can add the project charities, project name and owner account address. We have integrated the MetaMask wallet for the blockchain transaction. So we have to specify the goal of the donation, means how much money that charity needed. So the minimum amount should be that much amount user can donate, minimum amount. The description of the charity. And after adding the project, it will deploy to the blockchain network. After confirming the payment, it should. So actually we are using the testnet, so money is not that much sufficient. So Ethereum blockchain. So that is the public network.
Another thing is which specifies that real-time management system is there. Like if someone want to donate money, they can get that how much money they are using. Like if users are using our money, someone donated the money and users are using that, they can get estimated cost like how much they are used. It is a real-time basis. Like we can track our system.
Users can track that how their money is, where it is used.
The transaction is showing in the form of the hash code or encrypted.
Sir, block code. In the blockchain there is a block code, hash code.
There is a hash code or that is the encrypted form.
Sir, encrypted form. We are using the AWS cloud integration with that.
How it is hash code?
Cloud integration. Sir, after adding the charities, the user can see how much charities are added to the app at the admin, and after that he can donate to the charity.
What do you feel like
novelty. Now also many of the online and other platforms are available. So we can again we can say justify. So we what is related to trustworthy. How I can believe that the money is going to right track. Number
That
one.
is the real friend.
Number one. Number two. What is the verification that my money is reached to CM Relief Fund or Tata Memorial Hospital? These two things we are going to.
So for the first, I have an answer that the blockchain, which is the main thing, it provides all the security and the transparency. So we know that we can trust the blockchain that it is going at the proper place. And for the second your question that it is reaching to the proper place, we are providing some like real-time technology. We are providing tokens. We are providing the receipt, so it is reached to the proper place.
Verification what I am asking.
Verification.
I have started my own NGO. I am not doing anything. I have just registered my NGO. I have opened my NGO. I have registered my NGO and I will showcase on my page that I am doing this for animals. I think animals. And I am in need of per month, छोटे amount, rupees 1 lakh. The animal lovers will donate to me like anything. And for me, again, it is not that much difficult to give that how I have utilized. So whether that NGO, let us take the example of Palvi. Palvi is really very good operating. You can go, you can visit. Many of the Uttarakhand, old age home, they are operating. What I am asking, there are many NGOs which are just on paper, which having some other interest, or I am having many inputs, therefore let us start one NGO in order to, for my benefit, I am started. Social benefit may be there. मी नाही म्हणत नाही, पण तू माझ्या बेनिफिटसाठी कुठे NGO चालू केलेले तू माझ्याकडे भरपूर आहे ते थोडंसं डायव्हर्ट करणार. मग अशा NGOला पैसा टाकतोय का हे कसं खात्री करणार?
हां सर, त्यासाठी आम्ही आता ऑर्गनायझेशन ॲड करताना आम्ही व्हेरिफिकेशन करतो त्यांची NGOचे सर्टिफिकेटची NGO सर्टिफिकेट घेतल्यानंतर त्यांच्या सोशल मीडिया हँडल सेंड, कारण ते सगळं आता करायला लागले ते सगळे सोशल मीडियावर टाकलं लागते. नंतर काय काय सांगते प्रूफसाठी, नंतर आपण त्यांच्या पास्ट हिस्ट्रीमध्ये आपण ट्रान्झॅक्शन त्यांच्याकडून मागून घेणार, त्यांच्याकडे पास्ट हिस्ट्री काय काय केलेलं आहे त्याचं व्हेरिफिकेशन आपण ऑर्गनायझेशन अलाउट करणार. नंतर ऑर्गनायझेशनला अलाउट केल्यानंतर ते प्रोजेक्ट ॲड करायला जाणार. प्रोजेक्ट करायला नंतर प्रोजेक्ट करताना आम्ही अजून व्हेरिफिकेशन करणार आहे की प्रोजेक्ट ही गरजेचं आहे का. आता चाइल्ड डोनेशन आता इथे होत आहे, बाकीचे विदाउट व्हॅलिड कारण असेल ती प्रोजेक्ट टाकले असेल तर आम्ही व्हॅलिड करणार.
Have you checked about the rules and regulations created from your website? तुम्हाला असं अलाउड आहे का? म्हणजे कुणाला विचारता डायरेक्ट तुम्ही ही साईट चालू केली आणि लोकांकडून इकडून डोनेशन येत आहेत, तिकडे जात आहेत वगैरे, ह्याच्यावर कुणाचं काय पॅन इंडिया म्हणा, बाकीचं म्हणा, रूल्स रेग्युलेशनचा तुम्ही स्टडी केला आहे का? Whether it is allowed, have you taken any legal advice, etc. Do you think that it will be directly allowed and people will directly approach you? There are, if you go for one rupee transaction also, it will be traced like anything. So and then तुम्हाला एक एक्सप्लोर करावं लागेल. आता नसेल असेल तर सांगा, नसेल तर काय अडचण नाही, त्यांची त्याचा फ्युचर स्कोप. बट यू हॅव टू स्टडी दॅट अँगल ऑल्सो. लीगल ॲस्पेक्ट, फायनान्शियल ॲस्पेक्ट, गव्हर्नमेंट रूल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन, दॅट ऑल्सो यू हॅव टू टेक इट.
फ्युचर स्कोपमध्ये आहे सर. वी डिसाइडेड की फ्युचर स्कोपमध्ये आपण हे वेबसाईट गव्हर्नमेंटचे इंटिग्रेशन करून घेणार सो दॅट दे कॅन मॉनिटर ऑल थिंग्स.
म्हणजे मी वेबसाईट तयार केली, मी सरकारला पण दिली, सगळ्या लोकांना पण दिली. माझा काय फायदा? पण मी पण एक जेवणच केली.
सरकार असं पण नाही घेणार, आपल्याला काहीतरी देऊनच ते वेबसाईट देणार. असं आपण असं डायरेक्टली तरी नाही देणार, काहीतरी पैसे ते देणारच. आणि SIH हा गव्हर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्टमध्येच येतो. सो गव्हर्नमेंटकडून लाईक त्यांना कळणारच की हे प्रोजेक्ट त्यामध्ये येणार आहे. सो आपल्याला काहीतरी देऊनच तरी ते घेणार प्रोजेक्ट.
So, over from my side. All the best.
थँक्यू सर.